Hello viewer, we are going to generate different pictures, make the radical there, keep on editing. Let's make the changes there. I will generate another design. We have to explore it. I will find the different options. So there is another shape. Add a paint there. So we have to make the changes.